Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into some practical DIY tips that can help increase the lifetime of your beloved vehicle. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just getting started with car maintenance, these tips are easy to follow and can save you both time and money down the road. So let's get started. 1. Regular fluid checks. Keep an eye on your car's fluids like engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and transmission fluid. Low levels or dirty fluids can lead to engine damage and decreased performance. 2. Proper tire maintenance. Check tire pressure regularly and ensure they are properly inflated. Rotate your tires every 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers to ensure even wear and extend their lifespan. 3. Change air filters. Dirty air filters can restrict airflow to the engine, leading to reduced fuel efficiency and engine performance. Replace them at recommended intervals to keep your engine running smoothly. 4. Maintain cleanliness. Regularly wash and wax your car to protect the paint and prevent rust. Clean the interior to prevent wear and tear on upholstery and surfaces. Check belts and hoses. Inspect belts and hoses for signs of wear or cracking. Replace them if necessary to prevent engine damage or overheating. 6. Keep it lubricated. Apply lubricants to moving parts such as door hinges, locks, and suspension components to prevent corrosion and ensure smooth operation. 7. Follow service schedule. Finally, adhere to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. Regular maintenance tasks like oil changes, filter replacements, and tune-ups can significantly extend your car's lifespan. By following these simple DIY tips, you can ensure that your car stays on the road for years to come, providing you with safe and reliable transportation. Remember, a little effort now can save you big bucks in the long run. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more car care content. Until next time, happy driving.